Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue wings. It's a really simple and easy recipe. For this you're going to need 1 kilogram of chicken wings with skin. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I've got here 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic granules, and half a teaspoon of curry powder, or this seasoning that I've bought, which has got paprika in it, and I believe it's got a few other things in there as well. So if you don't have this, you can just use a teaspoon of paprika. So I've just added the spices and the ketchup, and I'm just going to marinate the chicken wings for 2 to 3 hours. If it's looking a little dry, you can add another tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and also you can add some extra virgin olive oil as well. I've just added a tablespoon, and I'm just going to mix it some more and then leave it to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. So I've just put a few of the chicken wings in the air fryer, and I'm just going to cook it for 20 minutes, turning once halfway through. So these are the chicken wings ready. Delicious barbecue wings, so easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.